Okay, so now I'm going to power up this mixer. I've plugged it into a wall. I have my 3-pin connector in the right position. And now I'm going to turn it on. Now remember, our microphone that we're using is a very sensitive microphone and requires phantom power. Phantom power allows us to send not only a signal, but a bit of an electrical signal to give it that boost that electric microphone condenser really needs. So I'm going to press the phantom power, and you notice that the phantom power is working because it has a little red light there. We're going to set the gain structure of this to make sure that we have a strong signal, that we don't introduce any kind of floor noise as we output our volume. So let's go to the mixer. The first thing I want to do is make sure that my level is set to unity. My main mix is set to unity as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my performer or the talent or whoever is working with the microphone to go ahead and talk and do like a simple test. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And at the same time they're talking, I'm going to attenuate or increase the gain till I begin to see that the meter is hitting around 0 dB. Check 1, 2, 2, 2. And usually when I emphasize the word 2, 2, it goes way up to 8. And that's kind of where maybe the person speaks their loudest. Check 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We do not want to go all the way up to there, because when we hit to 14 dB and even 20, we're going to distort. And basically we're sending out a signal that sounds like it's being overloaded, and that's really not what we want. We don't need that kind of level. So let's go back it down. Check 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. The average person talking, hello. Some people like to talk louder. I know on our Wednesday night, sometimes Eric, he uses a louder volume. So you'll have to adjust this for every person that's being speaking to. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, check, 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 check. All right, so that shows us that we have a strong signal coming into it. Later on, if we need to boost that signal, we can boost it at this end right here. And then we can also boost it on that end going out. But as long as coming into the mixer, we have a good gain stage, that's a really good place to start. So for what we'll look at this mixer here, our gain is set to almost what we might consider 4 o'clock, and that might be a good place to start. We're going to leave our EQ as flat in the middle, our volume at the middle, and that is a good gain structure that we'll use to connect our Mevo to the iPad. So let's talk about that.